we just arrived to the customer destination. Here's the van here. This right here we're installing today is 2022 Mercedes Sprinter van. Nice and everything looks good. So to begin this project, what you're gonna need is a T25, the heads extensions to take off this panel right here, this side panel first. So you're gonna need a T25. Here is this thing here to take off this quarter panel here for it to get access to the battery. All right, let's turn clockwise. Hey guys, is this your first time tuning in to the channel? What we do here at Battery Guys, we do a lot of installs of vans, all makes and model vehicles. We install boat batteries, we do solar, we do golf carts, we do semi, we do all type of battery installations here on the channel, guys. Not only we do that as well too, guys, we show you exactly about Battery Guys itself. We do a whole recycling process to show you exactly how we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery. All right guys, so you got two screws out right here. The panel popped off here as well. Got the, okay, that take off the rug mat. All right, set this aside right here. So now we got the panel right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 more bolts. We're gonna access the battery panel right here as well. But I need to disconnect this first though. Yep, it's the same thing, T25. Get this off. If we adding great content to you today, guys, just ask you just to like the video and share the video as well, because what it does, it helps the YouTube algorithm show other people how to install the battery in 2022 Mercedes Sprinter van. Four bolts, guys, got those out. Panel, voila. There's the battery, guys. AGM H8. You need a 10 millimeter socket or either a wrench to take off the ground. So we'll take off the ground first. Disconnect the ground. All right, we got that out the way here. All right, your next one to proceed taking off the your positive. To the foot of the battery itself, guys, there is a battery bracket that's keeping this battery hold down here. Right down here on that side, right there you need your heads to unscrew that panel. Then down here on the side here too, on the side, there's a battery bracket that you need to get loose before you get this battery out. As you can see, you gotta get that done and get that done as well on that side. So what I'm doing, I'm using a long extension to try to get to this part, using my flashlight because it's kind of dark in here as well. All right, guys, see here, look here. The battery bracket itself, look at this. That's the vent. The vent tube, you gotta take that out right here. Like that part, goes inside the battery. All right, so the battery can be lifted out now. So I wanna move some of these wires and stuff out the way first though. All right guys, we got the battery out. All right guys, today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle today. You wanna stick the vent on the side first before you install the battery back in. So tilt up your battery a little bit, get that back in there. Find those holes. You want to put this on the positive right here. You want to put this back underneath this bolt right here, like this, like that. Make sure you get all the wires and stuff down good. Don't forget about your little tiny screw, guys. When you actually put it on the positive post, go ahead and lift it up a little bit with your fingers and twist it on like this first to get it going with your fingers. Okay guys, we had to change cameras for a second. So what you want to do is we got the positive back installed here. Now we're connecting the negative, which is the ground, back into the vehicle. Turn it clockwise till you feel it tighten. Make sure the positive is also tightened good too as well. Well, that's it pretty much. Okay guys, we got the battery bracket back on here now. You want to take your heads and get those screws, these 4 screws here. Get them going with your fingers first. Guys, you want to tighten these up right now. We just put the floor cover back on. Now we got the quarter pounder put on here next. Also too, the battery we just installed in this vehicle is a group size H8 AGM. This battery retails $300 anywhere else. Make sure you jump onto our website, batteryguyz.com, and get this same battery half price delivered to your house for free. Also comes with a set of gloves as well too. Also too, if you enjoy seeing what I've got here going today, guys, we got great opportunities that we offer here at Battery Guyz. We're the first national recycling franchise system in the United States. So you're looking for a great business opportunity, you want to start something new and fresh for you and your family to have for generations well, look into our Battery Guyz with Z.com franchise opportunity. Click on the franchise tab and we'll see the information. Just got through installing the battery for that 2022 Mercedes Sprinter van. So we want to give you a breakdown of the total cost that we charge the customer. Now the same battery at BMW costs you about like $400. I'm sorry, not BMW, Mercedes. It's a Mercedes battery. Looking at about a $400 battery. We actually sold the battery to the customer, same as that battery, for $175 for the battery itself. Delivery was $50. I only charged $30 for installation, but I know for a fact that everywhere else, Mercedes, they charge $150 to install a battery. I only charge $30 because hit it with a $50 delivery fee. So the total price was $293 total for the customer for delivery install. Took me a little bit over an hour, guys. And so, guys, this is the reason why you want to get into the recycling, reconditioned battery business, guys, because it's a cash cow business. If you're looking, you want to get into a great opportunity, Battery Guyz with a Z. Everybody needs batteries delivered, installed, guys, at their businesses in the state, anywhere. You wake up, your battery needs to be installed. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't provide delivery for battery install. So what we do. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.